Hello, I'm John from Sauna On Location, and today we are going to finish up making some trailer stabilizers. Right now we've just welded up a few of these mounting parts to a plate so we can weld it to the trailer, and that way we'll be able to stabilize all four corners of the trailer and also level it. So that's going to be today's project. It's going to be kind of a short day, celebrating the wife's birthday today. So get done what we can in the morning and maybe get some a little this afternoon. Okay, so what we did here was taking those pipe pieces and we've welded them to a plate, and we then welded them to the trailer. And we're gonna have to paint all this and clean all this up a little bit. But the concept behind it is that these guys will go right in here. They'll stow like this, and then when we get there to your driveway and we want to stabilize this thing, we pop this thing in, drop that down, boom, and take the bounce out of everything, so when you folks are walking around, everything will be nice and sturdy for you. So this is good headway right now. There's only a few other things to do. I got to do a set on the front, but we're off to a good start this morning. Okay, now that we have all our stabilizers installed, we welded 4 of them on the trailer in all the corners so we can platform this thing. Pretty sturdy, nice. Now we're just going to go around and paint all those raw welds and raw metal, since we are in the ocean state with the sea air. And after that, then we're going to make up some sign frames that'll probably go somewhere in here, I think. And yeah, so that's what we got going on for the rest of the day. We're done with birthday, so back to work, according to my wife.